Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's day 10 of the 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and today's sketch is brought to you by Lyssa Flanagan, and I love this really big title down the left hand side, so let's see what we can do with this. The photo I am scrapping is of me in my stitchy spot because my other hobby that I'm passionate about is cross stitching, and I don't actually have this set up now. I've moved things around a little bit, but this was me probably last year at this time. And my cat, it was winter time, and I had a quilt on the floor because it got tile floors and my feet were cold. So I put the quilt down to put my feet on, and the cat came and sat on it, so then I couldn't put my feet on it. So anyway, someone decided in the family to snap a photo of me in my stitchy spot, doing what I love, cross stitching. That's after scrapbooking. Well, they're probably equal, but anyway. Alright, so what I'm using is this paper pad that I found at a $2 shop, an op shop actually. It was at an op shop and I paid like $2 for it. And it's actually an Aldi scrap pad. So I pulled out some sheets already to use that I'll show you. But it has two sticker sheets that I'll be using for embellishments, and they're shiny, so I don't know what they're going to be like. Haven't even tried to peel one to see what quality they're like, if they'll actually peel up or not, and I don't have a lot of sticky on them, but they're okay. So they're the embellishments I'm going to use, some of anyway. Okay, so I've picked out this as my base page, and because it is quite thin paper, I'm going to back it with just a piece of a green cardstock that I'll probably never use, so it's just going to get glued straight on there just to give it a bit more firmness. And then this paper I plan on punching out some of these elements as embellishments. So I've got a 1-inch punch here, which is the right size for these. Some of these big ones, it'll chop some of it off, but you'll still get most of the image. My title is going to be out of these letters. This is Nook and Pantry by Basic Grey, and I've just realised hopefully there's 2 S's on there. There's not, there's only one. I need 2 S's and 2 T's. There's only 1 S. Oh no, I'm gonna have to rethink the title. Oh, because I've only got 1 sheet of this. That is really frustrating. Why do they do that? 1 S, 1 T. I'm not seeing another S or another. Oh, they're so hard to see because they're all stripy. T, S. What is that? That's a U, is it? I think that's an upside down T. T. I need 2 T's and 2 C's because the title's going to be Stitch. Oh, I've got to rethink the title or come up with something quite clever out of these. Oh, that's really disappointing. I didn't even look at that. Okay, anyway, and then this is the green I'm going to back the photo in. So it may be a bit choppy, this video. I may have to stop and start a bit because I'm going to have to source another option for my title. But I've also got a few bags of different buttons that I'm going to use. And then I found this little bag of sewing themed embellishments. Sorry, I need to probably move that because that's could be going weird in the camera. So there's like an iron, old-fashioned iron. There's probably more with sewing rather than stitching, but the scissors are cute. I could use the scissors. There's wool. There's a button. There's a few scissors, safety pins. So I might use a couple of the scissors out of there. Oops, there's another pair in there. Yeah, so that is what I am going to use. So let's get this page started. we go. There's my finished page. So quick to put together. Really simple. It's just got enough embellishments on it, I think. I don't want to overdo it. I've got room here for my journaling down the bottom. And that has to be the cheapest page I've ever put together. The paper pad was $2. I used one sheet of paper from it. I didn't feel the need to punch out the other sheet for embellishments. The stickers were enough. So less than $2 because the piece of cardstock on the back is $1. That paper pad was $2. I've used one piece from it and just a handful of stickers. The buttons I already had in my stash from ages ago. So, and the metal charm, I don't know how long I've had them, a while. So yeah, really cheap page, and I am ecstatic with how it turned out. And it even looks like the sketch. So that is really cool. If you've liked this page and liked this video, please give me the thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And when you subscribe, hit that bell so you're notified when my next video comes out. Thanks for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.